The FeiyuTech VB4 Kit smartphone gimbal delivers impressively smooth footage with its 3-axis stabilization system and refined gyro algorithms that handle walking shots and quick pans very well. Its compact folding design, relatively lightweight, and integrated extension rod make it easy to pack, comfortable to hold at arm's length, and versatile for both low and high-angle framing. The dedicated artificial intelligence tracking module can follow faces without launching a separate app, and simple gesture control means you can start recordings or trigger tracking when you are in front of the camera alone. When paired over Bluetooth with the companion application, the gimbal unlocks creative tools like panoramas, time-lapse sequences, and dolly-style zoom moves that are usually difficult to pull off handheld. The unit supports a wide range of modern smartphones within its payload limit, so it works reliably whether you are using a current iPhone or a larger Android device from brands like Samsung, Google, or Motorola. Battery life is strong enough for long shooting days, and the option to attach accessories such as a magnetic fill light through the expansion port helps this gimbal double as a compact all-in-one mobile filming rig.